Quick tip for mounting the bolts here. Come from underside. Take your magnet, put it on, and just pull it off there. Magnet on. But see, we just got it started. You see that? All right, we got cheap rock gut oil, 10W30 to break it in. Since we're running this bone stock, we're going to go with AMSOIL synthetic 4-stroke for 10W30 small power engines. All right, 0.6 liters in there. Everything is front mounted here, so gas on, choke on, engine on. Make sure we're top dead center. There we go. First pull. Wow, it's quiet. Hardly needed any choke. Gonna let it run for about 5 hours. Champion, baby. First pull. That's a motor, fellas. Cranked on the first pull. I'm gonna be running this thing bone stock. Let me get, can you see my face? Sorry. Get it out in the river, see what we can do with it. Fuel off right there. Put the choke on, top dead center. And that's how I always do it. Seems like there's an extra return spring. Seems like it has better spring pressure than the Harbor Freight motor. Again, we're not gonna be using this at all. We're gonna have the wire coming up just like we had the old one. It looks a whole lot cooler. I mean, you know, the colors work. It's surprisingly quiet. But I guess I've been running these things hopped up for so long, I don't know what quiet is, right? I've forgotten. But the ultimate test is when we get on the water.